may motto in life is mutuwad ug patuwaron. Thank you.
Candidate number 3.
Buhulog yung may cause. Chops up!
Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am Ace Porras and naniniwala ako sa isang kasabihang a man without ambition is like a rolling stone without direction. I am 18 years old and that will be all. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 4.
Sa kaawit, nabisan pa man, nagalimutan na sa katigang ng labay. Nagpabiling buhi, nagpabiling labas sa panamduman. Okay, once again, this is Justy Lubitanya Gildari. I'm 14 years old, stunner. Ano na lang, no? Muna, natawag ako sa inyo ha, sister and brother, bless and love. Thank you so much.
Candidate number 5.
This is Ala Dayan, 17 years old stunner and very proud to represent Akbang Balibulan.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 5 lovely candidate vying for the title of Miss Gay Universe 2020. Candidate number 2. usual attire. This time, magpasalamat sa itong mga major sponsor. Daghang din salamat.
Aking sinta, ikaw lang nagparamdam nito. Kaya sabihin mo sa akin ang tumatakbo sa isip mo.
Candidate number 2.
Mahal mo na rin ako. Isayaw mo ako sa gitna ng ulan. Mahal ko kapalit man ito'y buhay ko. Gagawin ang lahat para sa'yo. Alam kong mahal mo na rin ako. Binigay
Candidate number 3.
sabi mo noon sa akin ayaw mo pa. Pero ang yakap ngayon'y kakaiba. Hindi ka ba nalilito? Totoo namang gusto ko ang lalabanan ng puso. Alam kong mahal mo na ako.
Candidate number 4.
Kung ganun na di ka na tumayo, isayaw mo ako sa gitna ng ulan. Mahal ko kapalit man ito'y buhay ko. Gagawin ang lahat para sa'yo. Alam kong mahal mo na rin ako.
And finally, candidate number 5.
Isayaw ako sa gitna ng ulan. Mahal
Ladies and gentlemen, our candidate in the long gown. So once again, we would like to call on our candidate on stage. Candidate number 1 and number 5. There you go. Ayan. Okay, people of Dumalagdos, are they beautiful? Mga gwapa ba itong mga kandidata this year? Okay, oh, di ba mga gwapa? Karon, this time, judges, another competition natin Q&A. This is 25%. So akong gina-announce, no? Ginahangyo na ako nga pag... Okay? Curious ang tanan, pati ako po. Pila imong edad?
I'm 10 years old.
10 years old po mga kaibigan. 10 years old. So, sa imong pangidaron langga, wala ba ka nakulbaan nga imong mga kalaban mga ate na?
Nakulbaan gamay.
Okay. So, sa imong kulba, yun sa man nimo pag-conquer, yun sa man nimo pag asa man ka kuha og ka ng kadasig para dili jud ka mahadlo kanila.
Sa kong papa ug mama.
Ba dili mo papa o mama? Wala. Medyo wala. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, papili mo ka to your final question. Choose number 1 to 5.
2.
Okay, number 2. Ay, dali sa ka. Wala pa ko na human. Application. Okay, so first time ni mo beauty pageant karon.
Opo.
Okay, very good. It's honestly, it's a wonderful first time. Congratulations. Palakpakan natin mga kaibigan for 10 years old. Okay? Sa atong family, LGBTQ. Okay, your question number 2. Mo kanimong pangutana. Sa imong pangidaron, unsa man ang imong nakatunan sa pag-appeal sa Miss Gay? Again, sa imong pangidaron, unsa man imong nakatunan sa pag-appeal sa Miss Gay?
Katuon ko kay Catriona Gray.
Okay, so thank you so much. So, tungod kay Catriona Gray, na-inspired ka. Okay, thank you so much. Daghang kayo salamat. See you tonight, later on. Okay, palakpakan natin. That was our final answer. Candidate number 2, please. Good evening to you. Okay, natunggan ni mo kaganina atong kandidatang first candidate, 10 years old. How old are you?
17.
Okay, 17. So, medyo taas-taas compare, no? So, this is your first time ba appeal sa Miss Gay?
No.
No. So, I'm sure na anak kay mga bala or encouragement, di ba? Okay, choose. Napili na ang 2. 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay, question number 1. Kung madungog nimo ang word nga aging, katigulangon. Kumbaga, gaze in aging. Ang pares nato nga tigulang na or matigulang. Unsa ang nasa imong hunahuna? Again, kung madungog nimo ang word or word nga gaze in aging, bayot nga magkatiguang, unsa ang imong nasa hunahuna?
I believe, ladies and gentlemen, gaze aging is mo daghan ko na donggan. But always remember, bisan pag bata, tiguang tanid nga po na to respetoon. Kay kita tanan is tao lang na naay karapatan na thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Maayong gabi. Amang juga by nature. Kailangan siya interpreter. Okay. So, dito ka. Tapat mo dito ka, interpreter. Ana. Okay. Question, napili na ang number 1 o number 2, 3, 4, 5 na lang. Question. Napili na ang number 1. Okay, number 5. Okay, mauni ang pangutana, paminaw kay translate ni Masaya. O ha? Ano ba siya? Buong ikabayot ba? Okay. Okay. Hala, candidate siya. Basig traidoron ka. Okay lang sa imo ha? Okay lang daw. Okay. So since nga, ano ka, parang medyo, your question goes like this, number 5. Question number 5, judges. Ano daw? Okay. Muna mong pangutana. What have you learned in the world at your age? Translator. Dali.
Dahil na siya. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. What was question again?
Question is, what have you learned in this world in your age right now?
What I have learned in my age right now. So, I've learned at my age right now is to be a good role model through abiding the protocols given from our officials during in this situation. And that action, it shows I already contributed to the community and to them. Yes. And that's what you all. Thank you and good evening.
Nalimtan yung memorize. Okay, candidate number 4. because of your funniest moment. Okay, so dami siguro yung childhood. No, kay lingaw man kay siya. So your question, how are you?
I'm so very nervous in this situation. Why? It's so hot in the Philippines. Thank you so much.
Literally hot in this Philippines. Okay, pangunta na. Napili na ang 5, 3 and 4 na lang. Choose number. 3 or 4.
For me, it's 4. Why? Because 4 na lang ako choice.
Okay. Since witty man kaayo siya, no, matest na to yung pagka-wittiness. Karon. Okay. Your question. What do you think is the greatest injustice in this world? Okay, Bisaya daw nako. Okay, unsa man para nimo ang what's injustice in Bisaya?
Justisya.
Pinakawalay hustisya sa kalibutan. Unsa para nimo ang pinakawalay hustisya sa kalibutan?
Hello? Okay, thank you so much for the very wonderful question. Hello? Okay, para sa ako unsa ang walay hustisya nga? Walay hustisya nga sa kalibutan. Para sa ako ang walay hustisya sa kalibutan, ang pagpili nato sa mga opisyales. Kabulo mo naglisod na ang Pilipinas. Ano na itong president nato karon? Tag-20 na ito bugas. Wa man. Wala yung bugas na ito kung tag-20. Muna ang ato dapat, ang ato ang mapangitag hustisya, ang pagpili sa maong opisyales. And I thank you.
Very brilliant answer. Okay. Okay. Wala ko kasagang ato ha. Well, anyway, our last but not the least, candidate number 5, kamukha niya si Angel Luxin. Katong wala pa si Angel Luxin nagkasakit. Charing. Okay. Good evening to you, candidate number 5.
Good evening.
Okay, you don't have a choice but to choose number 3 question. Okay, your question goes like this. What comes in your mind when you hear the word laughter? What comes in your word? Yeah, laughter. Katawanan. In the word laughter.
For me, dagan siya word nga magkatawa, like katawaan ng isa kabayot kay because of the gender and the appearance like me. Adungo ko katawa sa ubang tao because ako appearance seems sakit kay siya, and I hope nga dili maibutan niyo sa lugar yung katawa, o I hope nga nasa ipadulungan. I thank you.
Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this time we'll be giving our special awards. Okay, our first special award is Miss Photogenic. Miss Photogenic means they are beautiful in picture but not in person. Oh, Miss Photogenic. Our special awards and minor award will be chosen impromptu by our judges. Okay, Miss Photogenic is candidate number 4. Number 4 forward is to be awarded by Joel. Okay, congratulations, candidate number 4. Bagay na title of Miss Photogenic. Naipin, wala. Ipaipit na lang sa bra. Okay, congratulations. Next special award is we have Darling of the Crowd, judges. Please do the verdict. Sino sa inyo ang pinaka-daghang fans sa tingin ninyo? Our Darling of the Crowd, candidate number! Again, candidate number! People has spoken, candidate number 1! Diba? Yan, diba? Kato nga itong pauso ka na walk, diba? Kasagaran na yung mga terms sa mga walking. Kato kay hubog-hubog walk. Hubog-hubog walk. Ayan, congratulations. Very good. Okay, next, we have our best in napakay SM Choice Award to be given by the chairman, Ikong. You will receive sash and gift check, of course. Okay. Judges, sino sa inyo ang feeling nyo ang SM Choice Award? Okay, our SM Choice Award, candidate number to be awarded by Joseph. Candidate number 5. Okay, picture. Congratulations, candidate number 5. And now move on to our minor award, Best in Production Number. Woo! Thank you so much. Again and again. Okay, can we now have our Best in Production Number? Ah, yung gift check pala. Andito pa yung gift check, sorry. Ayan. You have 2,000 pesos gift check. Charot. 2,000. Bawasin isa ka zero. 200 lang yan. Okay? Palapit po tayo na palapit sa ating final judgment. Now we're giving our special minor award. Our first minor award is Best in Production Number. And she is candidate number... to be awarded by our very good friend, actually, our Best in Production Number, candidate number 1. Congratulations. Our next minor award is Best in Casual Wear. Our Best in Casual, candidate number... Candidate number 2 to be awarded by Joseph. And our last minor award, Best in Long Gown, is candidate number to be awarded by Tyra. Our Best in Long Gown goes to candidate number 2. Congratulations! Oh, may award, wala, may award. Anong nangyari? Alright. Okay, ganun talaga, girl. But don't you worry. Malay mo, mapasok ka sa top 3. Okay. From 5 of them, only 3 will survive. I will now announce our top 3. Okay. Our first finalist, you won it. You got it. Please forward, candidate number 2. Our next finalist, your journey continue for tonight. Candidate number 4. And the last, but not the least, and a chance to become our new Miss Gay, Dumalag or Queen Dumalag, this is candidate number 5. Thank you so much. Congratulations. You may now go. Okay, backward. You will be our new queen, Dumalag DOS 2025. Your final question. Final question, starting off candidate number 2. Dito sa Mugang. Kamungduha. Okay. Here we go. Judges, ready na ba ta? Of course, top 3 difficult question. Congratulations, candidate number 2.
Thank you so much.
Okay, now your final question. You will be given 30 seconds to respond, and if you hear this song, Your 30 seconds is over. What do you think is the greatest invention of the 20th century? I repeat, what do you think is the greatest invention of our 20th century? Your time starts now.
I think this is the internet or mobile phone because ngayon ay marami na nagkakalat na mga kagamitan kagaya na lang ng TV, cellphone, computer at marami pang iba. Kahit ganito pa man, kailangan natin limitan ang paggamit nito dahil ito ay hindi makakabuti sa atin kung ito ay magiging sobra. And I thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. What a very witty and very concise answer. Now moving on to our final question, candidate number 4, please. Okay, come on, center stage. Get your mic. Congratulations. Again, this is your final question. You have only 30 seconds. And if you hear this sound, 30 seconds. And if you hear this sound, meaning your 30 seconds is over. Okay, your final question goes like this. What for you is women or gay empowerment? What for you is gay empowerment?
Pardon please again.
What for you is gay empowerment? And why? What for you is gay empowerment and why?
Hello, good evening ladies and gentlemen. For me is empowerment of gay is independent. Why? Because gay ang mga bayad kapres na mo walay mo tuos sa mo. Pag kapres akong papa dili jud mo tuos ako bisag unsaon. Pag akong mga gamit dili siya nagapalit. Unya ang para sa ko ang pagkabayad kay dara mo mahibawan ang saon pagpaningkamot, pagtindog sa imong sa imong sarili sa pagrespeto sa imong kapwa tao. Thank you so much.
Okay, happy na act up. Okay? And finally, candidate number 5. Dami mo, Just Angel. Actually, ang beauty niya is parang Russian. Do you have Russian blood? Para kang Russian. Oo, di ba? Oo.
Russian mo.
Okay, again, you have only 30 seconds to respond. And if you hear this song, I sound your 30 seconds is over. Okay, your final question. Judges, what for you is the essence of LGBTQA+? What for you is the essence of LGBTQ+ and why?
For me, the essence of LGBTQ is very beautiful because being LGBTQIA plus community is so beautiful because kay being ako LGBT lingaw siya. Labi na dagan kay mig sa mga laki na bulimi sa mo ang gender sa mo ang kuan kagalian wala milabot basta lingaw jud siya nga essence mo na siya. Kalipay ang essence sa LGBTQ.
Thank you so much. Okay, daghang kay salamat. Ladies and gentlemen, dumalagos, that ends our Beauty and Brain final roster of our contestants. It's nice to see you again, and it's nice to know that you're still supporting. Bilang last year's winner, what advice could you give to these aspiring beauty queens at your behind? Okay, girls, listen.
Hello. Laban lang siya ta, ha? Okay na. Huwag may nagsugo. So, laban na lang siya.
Okay, so what? Kumusta ka na? Ano na? How's been after winning last year?
It's such a beautiful because I think it changed a lot. Through my journey last year in this competition, it was very hard to me because of the competing with these girls last year, and line aligned to me, and I am the.
Are you working now or still studying?
Studying.
Where?
Daniel Aragoneta.
Okay, you're still high school.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Sino mo ang taga Daniel dito? Ayan. Okay, so thank you so much for gracing our event. Wish the best luck in the world for you, girl. Okay, thank you so much. Are you ready? Ready na po tayo mag-disco tonight? But before tayo mag-disco Dumalagdos, ato asang i-announce ang this year's Queen of Dumalagdos. Starting off, our second runner-up to be awarded by our first judge. Our second runner-up is candidate number 4. Okay, okay, candidate number 4. You are our first runner-up and to be awarded by our first judge. Wala hindi. Second runner-up, yan na. Second runner-up, first judge. To be awarded by first judge. Thank you so much. I would like to call in on stage our 2 remaining candidates. Ayan. Ayan. Kung kinsa man ang atong tawabon una, mao ang atong Queen of Dumalagdos, unya mo ang back sa stage. Okay ba to? Sorry. Sidewalk, please move to the lang. Okay. Atong una tawabon ang magdaog. Our 2025 Queen of Dumalag, which means the remaining candidate is our first runner-up. Okay? I will first announce the winner. Dumalagdos. Help me welcome our brand new Queen of Dumalagdos 2025. Yes! And to be awarded by our first judge, our second judge. Ano ba? Okay, our the crown to si chairman of the board ang mag-announce the first runner-up. Okay. Again, ulitin ko po. Our 2025 Queen of Dumalagdos is candidate number 5, which means first runner-up. Which means first runner-up. Una first. First runner-up is to be awarded by our chairman. First runner-up is candidate number 2. Thank you so much, sir. And ladies and gentlemen, our newly Queen 2025 Queen of Dumalagdos to be awarded by our Ambassadress 2024. Congratulations! Palakpakan po natin lahat mga kaibigan. Dapat mo din ato yung second runner-up. Okay. Asang crown? Wala lagi crown. Ang winner center, first side. Dahil din sa katay, side sa ang duha. First runner-up, yan. Okay, ladies and gentlemen.